When it comes to conducting as-built surveys in Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading name in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as reliable and efficient as-built surveyors in the region. The company specializes in providing accurate and comprehensive as-built survey services, ensuring that clients have a detailed understanding of the existing conditions of their properties. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial project, SCON Design India Private Ltd has the necessary knowledge and resources to deliver precise and reliable as-built survey reports. One of the primary services offered by SCON Design India Private Ltd is the as-built survey at an unnamed location in Bangalore. This particular survey involves capturing all relevant information about the existing conditions of a property or structure. The team at SCON Design India Private Ltd utilizes advanced surveying techniques and equipment to accurately measure and document the dimensions, layout, and features of the site. By conducting a thorough survey, they are able to create detailed as-built drawings that accurately represent the current state of the property. The as-built survey at the unnamed location in Bangalore, conducted by SCON Design India Private Ltd, includes a comprehensive analysis of the property's structural elements, including walls, floors, ceilings, roofs, and other architectural features. Additionally, they also capture information about utility systems such as electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. This allows clients to have a complete understanding of the existing infrastructure and make informed decisions regarding any modifications or renovations they may be planning. One of the key benefits of choosing SCON Design India Private Ltd for an as-built survey in Bangalore is their commitment to accuracy and attention to detail. The team at SCON Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of providing precise and reliable information to their clients. They ensure that every measurement is taken with precision and every detail is captured in their survey reports. This level of accuracy allows clients to rely on the information provided by SCON Design India Private Ltd when making critical decisions regarding their properties. Furthermore, SCON Design India Private Ltd also offers timely delivery of their as-built survey reports. They understand that time is of the essence for their clients, and therefore, work diligently to complete their surveys within the agreed-upon timeframe. This ensures that clients can proceed with their projects without unnecessary delays. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a trusted name when it comes to as-built surveyors in Bangalore. Their expertise, accuracy, and commitment to delivering high-quality services make them a preferred choice for clients seeking comprehensive as-built surveys. Whether it is an unnamed location or any other property in Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd has the capability to provide accurate and detailed as-built survey reports.